Hi there to all of you. We are
Jongh.
and Suzy Matthijssen. We hope to see you at the EMDRIA conference where we are about to give a workshop on EMDR 2.0. And do you think that we can make EMDR treatment even more effective and more efficient?
We're pretty sure about that. Yes.
Yeah, we are, right?
Yes. If you look at the research findings, the most recent research findings, we think we can improve EMDR much better in terms of effectiveness and the use of several tasks, like working memory tasks. And you can explain that too.
Yeah, that's correct. So our workshop is obviously based on research, and it also is a very practical workshop. So we try to give you some tools on how to enhance your EMDR treatment. So we will tell you about working memory theory, working memory taxation. We will tell you about modality-specific interference, and we will tell you about several techniques that you can use, like the EMD bomb, for example. So you can try to make your treatment more effective, not only for the PTSD patients, but also for the very complex PTSD patients. So we hope to see you all there, and we look forward to it.
Okay, stay tuned.
Bye.